Ready to bring your anime obsession to the biggest screen in the house? First, navigate to your smart TV's app store. It's usually labeled something like Apps, Google Play Store, or Samsung Apps. Use the search bar to find your go-to anime streaming service. We'll start with Crunchyroll. Type Crunchyroll into the search field. Select Crunchyroll from the search results and then click the Install button to download and install the app. Repeat the process for Funimation, if it's available in your region, and any other anime-specific apps you use. Don't forget about Netflix. They have a huge anime library too. Install the Netflix app and sign into your account. If your favorite anime isn't on an app, you can connect your laptop or phone using an HDMI cable or screen mirroring. To optimize your viewing experience, adjust your TV's picture settings. Look for modes like cinema or game to reduce lag and enhance image quality. Also ensure your smart TV is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. A strong connection is crucial for smooth, buffer-free streaming. And that's it. Now you can enjoy all your favorite anime series on your smart TV. Happy watching!